What if Russian fighter jets suddenly appeared in Iranian skies? Would that signal a new global confrontation between superpowers? Or is the reality far more strategic and far more calculated? Let's break it down. Tensions between Iran, Israel, and the United States remain extremely high. At the same time, Russia has been strengthening its partnership with Tehran over the past few years. Since the war in Ukraine, Moscow and Tehran have expanded cooperation in energy, military technology, and regional security. But one question keeps coming up. Could Russia actually send fighter jets to support Iran in a potential war? There have been reports and discussions about Iran acquiring advanced Russian aircraft, including Su-35 fighter jets produced by Sukhoi. While no large-scale deployment of Russian pilots has been confirmed, military hardware transfers are a different story. If Russia were to provide advanced aircraft to Iran, it would significantly improve Iran's air force capabilities. Iran's current fleet is aging, with many aircraft dating back decades. Modern jets would enhance air defense, interception capability, and regional deterrence. But here's the key difference. Sending aircraft for Iran to operate is very different from Russia directly deploying its own pilots or air force units into combat. A direct Russian military intervention against Israel or the United States would risk massive escalation. Both Washington and Moscow understand that a superpower confrontation could spiral beyond control, especially given nuclear deterrence. So what's more realistic? Russia could supply advanced fighter jets, provide pilot training and technical advisors, share radar, satellite, and intelligence data, strengthen Iran's air defense systems. This type of indirect support allows Moscow to expand its influence without openly declaring war. Another important factor, Russia maintains diplomatic channels with Israel. In Syria, both countries have coordinated operations to avoid accidental clashes. Moscow tends to balance its Middle East strategy carefully, avoiding actions that would isolate it completely. So while the idea of Russian jets flying combat missions for Iran makes headlines, a full-scale deployment remains unlikely, unless the conflict dramatically escalates. In geopolitics, perception is power. Even the possibility of advanced Russian aircraft arriving in Iran can shift calculations across the region. The real question isn't just whether Russia would send jets, it's whether global powers are preparing for a long-term strategic rivalry in the Middle East, without crossing the line into direct war. What do you think? Would aircraft transfers change the balance of power, or just raise the stakes?